So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My little cousin, Farah. Looking all... Yeah, I like the drip. Show the drip. Show the drip. Jeez, easy enough. Yeah. So, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're casually in favourites. What used to be favourites. Chicken and chip shop. We're going to Crystal Maze for my cousin Niles' 31st birthday. So, come along. It's been a while. It's actually the second week into Easter holiday. And yeah, we're gonna have some fun. I'll show you snippets. Thank you. So I've just gotten myself some chicken and chips. Just went to the post office to post some parcels. Now we're ready to go to the Crystal Maze.
Oh, go on, walk then. Do you know which way you're going?
No, where is it?
It might, I think it's, I don't even know. Hey, look.
Let's stop and see them.
I'm not tall enough for this.
No, we're going the wrong way.
Are we?
Yeah.
Shame.
That way. No?
I follow the map, I don't know today.
Jahnay!
So we're here, the Crystal Maze, London.
There's no one else
There's
here.
no one else here. I think we're the first here. It's better to be on time than to be late. Say hello to them. What are we doing today?
Crystal Maze.
How are you feeling about it?
Brilliant.
I don't know if that was sarcasm or no. So we're early and we've decided to find a parking space for Alexi. And now we're in the sweet shop. Alexi wants Magnums. But this shop doesn't sell it. What area is this? Piccadilly, City of Westminster, Piccadilly Circus. Westminster? Oh, is that Chinatown?
Yeah.
Oh, we're next to Chinatown. You like that stuff, don't you, Alexi? The thing is, we got to drink them really fast, so when we go in, our head is like this. And we can't work out the maze. How about that? Who's on it?
So I can't lie, I was with this.
You got to drink it really fast, like that's a miracle. Let's see, zoom in. Birthday man, say hello.
Yeah, but the corners are mad. The corners are
No edges, it's okay. It's okay.
I shaved them. I shaved them.
Shape up.
Shaved them.
No competitiveness. Teamwork today.
I'm gonna get all the crystals. I'm gonna get all the crystals. Me, I'm gonna go.
Oh gosh. I don't even know how to play this. I've never seen it in my life.
My knee hurts.
I'm not too young.
The violent man. You've had Farah seen it.
Farah's old at heart. I've never seen it.
I had Farah on my team. Today he wasn't on my team. Sorry.
When?
If there was 4 versus 4, he wasn't on my team.
What?
Farah was on my team. Yeah.
Nah. First of all,
That's up to you.
and he lost. That's what I'm saying.
Hey, mate.
Come on, man.
Niles, go back along the wall.
Why would I do that?
I'm watching now.
I could just jump straight back across.
Yeah, but and listen, if I don't see you again in this life, I'll see you in the next. Brilliant, cheeky. Right, take care.
We completed it! Yay! We couldn't record, but we got the last minute. No. How much out of 10 would you give that?
I'll give that 7.
8 out of 10. It was alright.
What's this, a vlog thing?
Yeah, my vlog. My hair's messed up though.
Oh, my knee.
Because they probably...
I was sanding my boxes.
Did it rip as well? Is it ripped?
I was saying my box.
Do you like the pictures, Mercedes? Open it up.
We're in Paris, guys. We're in Paris, guys. We're in Paris.
We're definitely not in Paris. We are in West End. West End. Kingston.
Me part one of the best. Me part one of the best.
Oh my gosh, Kingston, Jamaica.
Me part one of the best.
Guys.
Magnum there.
But Marley. We outside. What's now saying? Where you saying now? Where you from now? Grandma watches it. My dad watches it. Right, so we finished the Crystal Maze and now we're en route to bowling. See you in a bit. Oh yeah, and I'll give Crystal Maze a strong 8 out of 10. If you haven't been there before, you want to go for your birthday, I highly recommend it. Anyway, see you in a bit, round 2. So we're in Watford now, and we're going to go bowling. Niles not here, I guess she's drunk. Oh,
What was in your bum now? From Crystal Maze.
So now we're in Five Guys, getting some food, and then after we're gonna go bowling. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Wanna be in my vlog? Wanna get in my vlog? Kieran, wanna get in my vlog? Five Guys. Mercedes, say something, Mercedes. Five Guys. Hopefully we get in to bowling. Hopefully we can get a lane. No, I just wanna taste it. Nice.
I should have gone that.
What did you get? Alright.
Been changing the score the whole time. You cheater. I was wondering why you had so much like that. As much as me. Change the score. You cheater. You cheater. I knew I was beating you. The girl's changing the score undercover. Look at you. Wow.
Yeah, Jahnay, you're not doing very great. Oh, you got in!
Heels.